Ever seen those viral ads where some tiny gadget magically turns your garden hose into a pressure washer and thought, yeah right, until my hose becomes Thor's hammer? Well, I decided to investigate the Qinux Aquoxis pressure water jet because internet ads are like that one friend who always has a can't miss deal, usually you miss. This thing is sold online as a magic nozzle that uses hydropower technology to turn any normal garden hose into a dirt blasting power cleaner without electricity. Just water and fairy dust. Apparently the ads show sidewalks turning spotless in seconds and cars shining like they were dipped in unicorn tears. But here's the real question, does it actually deliver, or is it one of those too good to be true deals that is too good to be true? After digging into research and no, not just watching the same paid influencer ad with shameless zoom ins, here's the deal. Physics tells us you cannot magically boost your water pressure 10 times or 15 times just by swapping a nozzle. Water pressure from your tap is determined by your source, not the gadget. A clever nozzle can focus flow a bit, sure, but turning your hose into a mini power washer like the ads show, nope, that's part smoke and mirrors. Independent reviews show that plug-and-play nozzles like this often perform about the same as regular garden nozzles, sometimes even worse, and the hype in those videos often not showing the actual product in action. Now, as someone who's tried a ton of cleaning tools over the years, from serious pressure washers to budget hose gadgets, here's my honest take. If this Qinux Aquoxis thing were a real pressure washer replacement, I'd be using it daily on my driveway right now. But in real use, gadgets like this feel like putting lipstick on a garden hose. Fancy name, bold claims, but the cleaning power is about what you'd expect from your normal hose with a bit more focus. Nothing heroic. If you want real pressure washing power to blast stubborn grime off concrete or old stains, you still need a proper pressure washer. So is Qinux Aquoxis a scam or legit? Legit as a gadget but not legit as a pressure washer replacement like the ads promise. If you're expecting superhero cleaning results, you're gonna be disappointed. But if you just want a fancier sprayer with slightly focused stream, sure, it'll do that. Bottom line, don't let clever marketing make you pull the trigger before you research, because sometimes the magic is just marketing. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.